Who should be my agent? Your agent is your helper, the person you choose and trust to make decisions for you just in case you can't make them on your own one day. You give your agent the power to make decisions for you in a legal document called a power of attorney. There are two kinds of power of attorney, one for healthcare decisions and another for financial and property decisions. You can give them the power to help you now or later. It's completely up to you. When you make someone your agent, you give them legal power to make choices for you. That's what a power of attorney does. Remember, a power of attorney is like car insurance. You hope you never need it, but you'll be so glad you have one if you do. Your agent can be anyone. They don't have to be related to you or even your spouse. As long as the person you choose is at least 18 years old and legally competent, they can be your agent. That means the person you pick must be able to understand what you would want or need and make good decisions for you in case of an emergency or if you lose capacity yourself. You can't pick the healthcare provider currently treating you to be your agent for the healthcare power of attorney. So, who should you choose? Here are some important qualities your agent or agents should have. First, your agent should be trustworthy. You know them to be reliable, honest, and dependable. Second, the person you choose should be willing to be your agent. No one can be forced to be your agent, even if you make power of attorney documents. It's important to choose someone willing to make difficult choices if you ever need them to be your decision maker. Third, your agent should respect your wishes, rather than choosing what they would want for you or for themselves. That's why it's so important to make sure you communicate your wishes to your agent. Fourth, it's helpful to pick someone who is organized. This is especially true for the power of attorney for property, which also covers finances, because your agent has to keep receipts and records of any spending if they ever need to help you. Fifth, you want to pick someone who will be a good fit. Not everyone feels comfortable or capable of making tough decisions in difficult times. You can choose the same person to be your agent for both powers of attorney, or you can choose different people, one to handle healthcare decisions and the other for financial decisions. It's up to you. Think about your options. Maybe your best friend always pays her bills on time but can't step foot in a hospital. Or maybe your brother is cool under pressure but has gotten behind on rent once or twice. Take time to consider who is the best fit for each role. If you have a few people in mind, you can name a successor agent or a backup agent. Your successor agent can step in if your primary agent is unable to help because perhaps they've already passed away, they are incapacitated, or they refuse to act and make a decision when needed. You can name as many backup agents as you wish. Remember, no one should ever try to force you to make them your agent. It must be your choice. However, you may have well-meaning loved ones that know it's a good idea to make your powers of attorney. If someone is pressuring you, step back and consider whether they would actually be a good fit for you. You know your agent or agents best. Your power of attorney document is custom fit to your needs and wishes. Make sure you are choosing what feels best for you. It's your life, and these are your decisions to make. This is the power of planning.